Molecular health now provides doctors and patients with a new weapon to fight cancer. Modern genomic DNA sequencing and a medical report including treatment options targeted to DNA changes in a particular tumor. This weapon is the MH Guide. It's as if a tumor could speak and gave us information on how it can be treated. The MH Guide decodes this information and shows the doctor individual treatment options for your personal case. In all types of solid tumors, there are clinically important DNA changes, causing or contributing to growth. Because the MH Guide can very efficiently create a comprehensive individualized molecular profile, the software helps doctors to find targeted treatments that are expected to be effective and have fewer side effects, or that have not yet been considered for your treatment plan. It will also show information on ongoing drug studies that may be an option for you. The path to individual cancer therapy with the MH Guide looks like this. Discuss the option of molecular genetic analysis in your particular case with your doctor. Your doctor then contacts an independent certified doctor trained on the MH Guide. They clarify possible questions and discuss the next steps in preparing the analysis. The certified doctor who collaborates with the treating doctor now requests the necessary tissue samples. The data from the samples is then further processed. After genetic testing of the samples and analysis using the MH Guide, medical findings are created based on the results. This is done by a certified doctor who sends the finding to your doctor to support your personalized treatment. Finally, your doctor discusses the results with you with regard to therapy options specially relevant to you, or even participation in any suitable clinical studies. It's important to us that the MH Guide is registered in Europe as a medical device for tumor analysis and interpretation. This means we are subject to strict controls and conditions, as per German law. Molecular health works only with pseudonymized patient data. Data is processed as per the requirements of the European GDPR and genetic diagnostics law. Learn more about the MH Guide at molecularhealth.com/patients or by contacting our patient service today at +49 6221 43851 150 or by email customercareeu@molecularhealth.com. Our medically trained employees would love to discuss how the MH Guide can soundly support you and your oncologists in therapy decisions. Get access to individual cancer therapy with the MH Guide.